Then we got to start looking at these rational equations. So this one looks a little bit more like that problem we had where at least one of these we've got like two terms above the fraction bar in one of these fractions. So let's take a look at that one. Everybody give it a try and see how you do. Has anybody arrived at a solution yet?
Yes.
Silver Springs, y'all can chime in as well. Okay, so if you have, I'll work on it just another minute and then we'll take a look at it. So somebody tell me what solution they actually got.
Negative 12 is x.
Negative 12. Anybody else get negative 12? Yeah, that's what I got. Let's take a look and see. So first of all, it looks to me like 12 is our LCD, yes. So if we do the quick start with the biggest denominator, 4, well, 4 times 1 is 4 and 3 won't divide into it. 4 times 2 is 8 and 3 won't divide into it. 4 times 3 is 12 and certainly 3 divides into that. So 12 is the LCD. So on the left-hand side, I can cancel a factor of 4 on top and bottom. Again, Paris or any other students who want to do it that other way, you would just multiply and say that's 12x divided by 4. The 12 divided by 4 is 3. I just say 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 12 3 times, and that's 3 times x, which is 3x, right? On the other side, we have to distribute. We have to do 12 times 2, which is positive 24. And then we have to do 12 times that. But we can cancel a 3 on top and bottom. So cancel, 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So I need to multiply 4 times x minus 3, distributing. 4 times x is positive 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. I don't have to worry about, should that be negative or positive, because that's a plus sign, right? And so if
If it wasn't,
I'm sorry?
I was just gonna ask right there before you start scribbling stuff out, if it was a negative, it would be a positive 12, correct?
Yes. If there had been a minus here, that would become negative and this would become positive, because a negative sign in front always reverses signs, right? That makes sense? Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So if I combine like terms, the only place I can do that is these constant terms. So I've got 3x equals, I've got 4x, but then I've got 24 minus 12 is positive 12. You might have written 12 plus 4x. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Addition's commutative. Doesn't matter what order you write them in. I tend to write variables first. And something very similar to that last problem happens here. I didn't realize that when I put these problems together, but something pretty similar happens. If I subtract 4x on each side, 3x minus 4x is negative x, or negative 1x, if that helps you see what's going on. And on the other side, I have positive 12. And again, I'm just going to reverse the signs, because I know if I wanted to, I could multiply both sides times negative 1. If negative x is equal to positive 12, then positive x must be negative 12. Everybody with me?